In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create motion graphics for food video ads in Canva. 5 minutes. We'll build a clean, eye-catching ad from start to finish with simple motions that make your food pop and your message clear. Start by logging into Canva. From the home screen, choose a video format that fits where you'll post, like a square or vertical video, or open a video template to jumpstart your layout. Templates are great for structure. You can always customize everything later. Set the tone with your background. Use a solid color, gradient, or subtle texture, then add simple shapes to create sections for your photo, headline, price, or logo. Keeping a grid in mind helps the viewer know where to look first. Upload your food photos. Use background remover to isolate the dish, then resize and position it so it overlaps your shapes slightly for depth. Leave a little padding near the edges to keep the composition neat. Select an image and click Animate. Try Pop for a playful bounce, Pan for smooth movement, or Baseline for a grounded entrance. Keep motion directions consistent with your layout so the ad feels intentional, not chaotic. For extra realism, open Edit Photo and choose Shadows. Adjust blur, transparency, and angle to match your scene, and animate the shadow too. A subtle move adds dimension without stealing attention. Add your heading, tagline, and brand info. Use font contrast, one strong display font paired with a clean, readable one, and stick to brand colors for recognition. Keep the key message short and front-loaded. Animate the text with typewriter for punchy reveals, ascend for a polish lift, or burst for emphasis. Keep durations quick so words are readable but energetic. From the Elements tab, sprinkle in small graphics like stars, leaves, or lines. Animate them with wiggle for playful motion, wipe for slick reveals, or neon for glow accents. Use sparingly to avoid clutter. Duplicate the page and make slight variations. Shift the photo, swap a line of text, change an element's position to build a sequence that feels dynamic. Between pages, apply the match and move transition under transitions. Canva tracks elements across pages to create seamless movement, like your plate drifting naturally from one scene to the next. Open show, timing, and stagger element entrances so animations play in sequence. This is where you sync motion to the beat if you'll add music. Add background music or a few tasteful sound effects, then adjust levels so the audio supports the visuals. When you're happy, download your design as an MP4 video, and that's your polished food ad ready to publish.